The camera fades in on an empty road at dawn, the sky split between darkness and rising light, and then, out of the silence, the 2026 Dacia Sandero rolls into frame like a quiet disruptor ready to shake up everything you thought you knew about budget hatchbacks. There's something almost rebellious about the way it carries itself now. Sharper lines, a more planted stance, and a front fascia that finally looks confident instead of conservative. The redesigned LED signature glows with a modern edge, giving the Sandero an unexpected presence, the kind that makes you look twice even if you weren't planning to. Step inside and the transformation continues. The cabin feels more mature, more purposeful, with textures and screens placed exactly where your hands and eyes want them. The new floating infotainment system responds quickly, the digital cluster is crisp, and the seats, firmer yet comfortable, give you that sense of being held in place rather than simply accommodated. But what truly reshapes the Sandero experience this year is what happens when you press the start button. The updated 1.0-liter turbo engine may look familiar on paper, but the tuning feels livelier, more ready to pull from low revs, and the mild hybrid assist fills the gaps with a smoothness you don't expect in this price bracket. Acceleration won't snap your neck, but it's confident, clean, and surprisingly refined as it climbs through the revs. Around town, the fuel efficiency becomes its secret weapon, sipping fuel gently, stretching every kilometer, making it feel like a car that respects your wallet without ever feeling cheap. And when the road opens up, the improved chassis tuning shows its worth. The steering is tighter, the suspension more composed, and the body roll better controlled, letting the Sandero lean into corners with a calm assurance that turns even routine drives into something a little more satisfying. It's still simple, still honest, but now it's purposeful in a way that feels evolutionary. And then you remember the price, hovering comfortably in the range that keeps it one of Europe's most accessible new cars, yet it manages to pack in keyless entry, modern safety assists, wireless connectivity, and a design that finally stands shoulder to shoulder with more expensive rivals. That's the magic trick of the 2026 Sandero. It doesn't pretend to be something it's not, but it pushes the boundaries of what a car in this class can offer without blinking. As the camera pulls away and the taillights fade into the horizon, there's that familiar spark, the sense that the automotive world still has surprises tucked into unexpected corners. And if this Sandero is any hint of what's coming next, you'll want to be here when the next chapter drops.